Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief. And as America celebrates its 250th birthday, I've got an item for you that you're absolutely going to love. No cookout is complete without s'mores. Okay, but the twist we're going to put on it today is I'm going to show you how to make an apple pie s'mores right out in your backyard, either on your gas grill, your gas burner, or on your gas fire pit. So let's get started. First, you're going to start by taking 1 full graham cracker and you're going to break it in half. Okay, place that on your plate. Next, you're going to take about a teaspoon of apple butter and place on each half of the graham cracker. Be sure to spread the apple butter out. Next, we're going to take some fresh diced apples and place them on the apple butter. Today I'm using Granny Smith apples, but you can use any apple that you have in your house. The Granny Smith is great because it's a little tart and it plays well with the sweetness of the apple butter. Next, you're going to sprinkle with a little bit of cinnamon. And lastly, drizzle a little bit of caramel sauce over the apples. And now the fun part. Skewer your jumbo marshmallow and we're going to head off to our burner. Hold the marshmallow over the flame and just keep turning it just like you would over a fire pit. And you're looking for the marshmallow to start to get a little dark like that. Then come over to your graham crackers and you're going to slide this marshmallow right onto the center there. Take your other graham cracker, place it on top, slightly press it down, and there you have it. Apple pie s'mores. Tastes just like an apple pie, but it's a s'mores. Enjoy.